Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today, and let's talk about Bitcoin real quickly here. And it has been a while that we have seen Bitcoin consolidating. We've seen some bearish patterns appearing. Altcoins have been retracing to the downside. I think I'm going to label the next move of Bitcoin as a healthy correction in a bull run, right? Bitcoin is in a bull run. Altcoin are still not in a bull run. Some of them are, but Bitcoin is actually the one that is actually enjoying the run at the moment. And I think I've said this before, that in 2017 we've seen Bitcoin correcting an average of 25%. Seven times it corrected 25% on average in the previous 2017 bull run, right? So having a 30% correction, maybe 33, is going to be pretty normal. So if you do make it down from the all-time high, that's still 28% at $77,000. I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin even trying to retrace down to the previous all-time high at 69K as your final touch before going to the upside. I don't really think Bitcoin is coming all the way down to like 58 or 53, right? Unless it doesn't really go on and fall into those like 61K. I don't really think it's going to do that, but I really believe that this is very realistic and very healthy to see Bitcoin doing that. Now, one more thing is we're on the weekly. Today's Tuesday, and the weekly time frame is right now showing some negative patterns. And these negative patterns, you do have evening star, you do have a bearish engulfing candlestick. So I do think that this week alone you're about to see Bitcoin kind of breaking down. One more thing is the 4-hour time frame has already printed out a nice good pattern that we can actually expect to see Bitcoin making the next move. So here it is. You got your support, move up, support right there, move up, one touch right here, move up, another touch right there, move up, and now again you're getting supported at the moment. But eventually I still have a very strong opinion that you're going to break it, retest, and if you take that top to bottom of the pattern, it takes you down to $77,000. And again, I've always been saying that 77K is going to be the place where Bitcoin is probably going to be retesting, and that's where you have your CME gap. And to top it off, I think that the 1-hour time frame here is going to give us an idea for the next move, and I think you have this one resistance going on for Bitcoin. So whatever pump you're doing, keep in mind you're just pumping all the way back to resistances. So I'm not really getting trapped into all these little pumps on the 1-hour time frame. I have other plans and I'm sticking to that. And if you want to be a part of my plan on the private is opened up for January, and we have 6 more days to close. Anyways, the next move is probably going to be until 25 December. So in Christmas, it does look like maybe, just maybe, you're going to have a bloody Christmas this time around. So you're going to do something like this, and then eventually maybe boom, drop down, go up, retest, fall down, or break up, fake out, fall down. That's the second scenario. Or you could do breakdown, fake out, move up. That's another scenario. This is crypto, man. It's really funny. Or break up, retest, and then go up at least until 102,000, take a few stop losses, and then maybe eventually fall to the downside. I don't know, but because of the bearish candles on the weekly, I think it's time to actually do something like this and drop down and take a lot of liquidity at $77,000. And keep in mind, sometime it could be that you just crash down, right? Bitcoin can even do something like this, whoop, like zzz, crash, absolute crash, and then eventually you guys can get in cheap. And that's all for the video on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is. Hey, if you guys want to stop losing like this and actually start to win like this, I've already created a playlist for you guys to learn how to trade. So give me some few time of yours out of your life and check this playlist right over here, and you can learn my secret that has always won me a lot of trade whenever I need to win that for absolutely free. Check it out.